Here from Eightcap. So today we're looking at Bitcoins on the daily chart, and there's a couple of things we're going to just run over. So first things first, we did see a very big pullback yesterday, and we can just see the bar here. Now, the timing has me quite interested because yesterday we saw JP Morgan come to the rescue of First Republic, which did look like it was heading for failure. So it would have been the latest on the list of banks that have failed. And with the USD trading higher and, that move basically giving some stability, it's quite interesting that we did see Bitcoin fall the way we did. It may be a coincidence, or is it a possibility that with things becoming a little bit more stable, is that hurting Bitcoin, which could have been seen as a hedge over this whole crisis? So that's something we are continuing to sort of have a look at and see if there was a factor there with Bitcoin falling due to those reasons. So it was interesting with the dollar rallying and with that, the news of JP Morgan taking over that bank. So technically wise, we're looking at a few things here. We'll just zoom out a bit. CCI is not really important in today's report. So we have obviously this uptrend that we're watching here. We have that point here. We have a fast trend that's been broken. We've seen a move down to support. That area is quite important. And we've seen a new rally up that's sort of stalled, and we have a lower high in play now. So we saw this then sell off back down, and we also have what's appearing to be a descending triangle at the top of a trend. So it could be a consolidation at this point. We may see a couple more moves if we break higher or lower, but for now, the lower high is a small worry. It definitely shows that momentum has changed, and it's no longer really in an uptrend on the short term. It could be consolidating, or the possibility that we could see a new move push lower. We really want to see this support area here hold on the short term, and even if we do see a test and a breakthrough, but we see a close back above, that's fine. We just want to see that buyers maintain that level that's been really running since March this year. So that's one key here. If price does start to consolidate inside this pattern, that's fine, and then we'll look to see what the next move is, and if we do see a new higher breakout. If we do see a breakout and we see a nice move higher on the CCI, that's good to see. But like I just said before, the CCI at this point is below the zero line, but it's not really in much of a factor for this price structure right now because it is starting to become range bound. So the key is just moving forward is to see if buyers can get control again and start to rally. We want to see this level of resistance beaten, and then obviously this lower high beaten, and that move back up to this resistance at 36.31 and hopefully above. We do see a break below and a close below this support area here. That could set up the possibility of a deeper correction, and that lower high is sort of warning about that. And we could possibly see a move back down to test this trend line here after this latest fast trend was broken. So there are a few of the notes that we've taken on the Bitcoin daily at the moment, and continue just to keep an eye on it. But while it stays range bound, we'll just look to see if it can continue to develop into this consolidation pattern, and then what the next move would be. If we, like I said, we want to see that support hold on the short term with a move up above resistance. But if we see a break and close through it, there could be a possibility of a bit more downside to come. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for your time. I wish you all the best for the rest of your day, and good trading, and bye for now.